Hello, and welcome to Introduction to Databases. Today we're going to talk about what is a database and how is a database used. In Introduction to Databases, databases are places to store information. And these are some of the different areas in which databases are used. Small businesses, restaurants, computers, cars, contacts, hospitals, schools, smartphones. Databases are used all over the place. And databases are the vehicle for storing information. Information like contact information, information like restaurant menus, information like purchases made, all sorts of information are stored in databases. Now we're going to talk about a particular type of database today. We're going to talk about relational databases. And relational databases uses a query language called a structured query language in order to access information from those databases. So I put information into a database and I use a SQL query in order to pull information out of the database or manipulate that information. Some of the SQL databases that are out there are databases created by Oracle, databases that are open source like MySQL, and databases created by Microsoft. All of these databases are SQL databases that use the same query language to manipulate data in those databases. So if you learn SQL in one language, for one database, you can transfer that knowledge to another database. We, in this course, are going to be focusing on the MySQL database in order to get experience in writing SQL code, but that will apply just as equally well to Oracle or to SQL Server. Now, databases rarely work by themselves. You see the database here at the bottom, but the database has the access of a SQL query language that goes to a programming language that provides the interface. Programming language could be Java, C, PHP, JavaScript, or something like that. And then it's usually all of that is on a server that then allows different people to access one centralized place that the database is stored. So essentially, if I wanted to have contact information, I could store all that contact information in one place and then have multiple people either view that information, or some people might add to it and some people might update it, but it's all in one centralized location. Thank you very much. And that's Introduction to Databases.